Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on conventional treatment. Conventional treatment is a treatment which you take when you suspect uterine fibroids. You go to the gynecologist or a corporate hospital. Any doctor nearby your home is called conventional treatment. This is also called English treatment or Western treatment or allopathic way of treatment. So there are a lot of disadvantages with this treatment. We will look into these disadvantages. First one is they say expectant management. What they mean by expectant management is leave the fibroid as it is and check how it grows. The reason they go for expectant management is they do not have any medicines to control fibroids. That's the reason they say you. So leave it. When it grows, we will come to us, we will operate and we will remove your uterus, we will remove your fallopian tubules, remove your ovaries, so that you will not have any problems. But there are a lot of side effects because of this. So in what situation they recommend expectant management is, first one is there is no symptom. You have the fibroid, okay, accidentally you have discovered the fibroid and there is no symptom. They say that go for expectant management. Even if you have symptoms and you are postmenopausal or perimenopausal, you are around the age of menopause or you are in menopausal stage, they say that don't treat it, leave it as it is. If it becomes big, we will operate it. And the next one is pregnancy. So if you are pregnant and if you have fibroids, they say that don't treat it. But in homeopathy, why to wait for a long time then to grow it and then go for surgery? In homeopathy there are excellent medicines, so that when the fibroid is small, you can use the homeopathic treatment and get it dissolved completely without any side effects. So don't go with the expectant treatment as they suggest. If you have any fibroid, immediately come to the homeopathic doctor. Next, they say that you have to interfere only when you have these problems. First one is when there is torsion, when the fibroid within your uterine cavity, it is rotated and it is causing severe pain or bleeding, they suggest for surgery. And next one is when the fibroid is too large, so they will suggest surgery. And also when the fibroid is growing rapidly, rapidly growing fibroid means cancer. So why are you waiting when the fibroid is small and after some time it grows rapidly or it goes into cancer and then take the surgery? So you have to come to homeopathic doctor immediately when you found fibroid, small fibroid, and get it dissolved. That is the best way for your treatment. And coming to medical management, when do they advise medical management? Medical management is for two things. One is to reduce the size of the tumor and also to reduce the bleeding. So what they do here is they will give hormones, synthetic hormones, or the drugs that will inhibit hormones, or the drugs that will block the hormones. So they will meddle with the hormones artificially and will show you the false results. So this is also full of side effects. What happens here is there will be dependency formation. Because of this, there can be cancerous growth anywhere in your body. That's the reason this treatment is also not good. Best treatment is homeopathy in this as well. And coming to the surgery, when the tumor has grown to a sufficient size and as they don't have any medicines to cure the tumor when it is small, so once the tumor becomes large, they will go for surgery. In that surgery, they will remove complete uterus, they will remove fallopian tubules and also ovaries. Because of this, what happens is ovaries are very important to maintain your bone strength. When these ovaries are removed, especially the late age women or perimenopausal women, your bones become weak and your joints are damaged, and you will be more prone to fractures and also other psychological symptoms because of lack of proper hormones. And also they go for one more procedure, that is uterine artery embolism. In this, what they do is they will insert polyvinyl alcohol into the uterine artery so that the blood supply to the uterus is cut off and the fibroids will die. This is also one of the dangerous procedures. It is not only stopping the blood flow to the tumors, but also it is stopping the blood flow to the complete uterus, and also it has lot of side effects. This is also one of the worst treatment you can take for uterine fibroids from allopathic treatment. The final thing you have to remember here is they don't have treatment for fibroid. They ask you to leave, don't treat it. When it becomes good, when it becomes big, come to us, we will operate and remove everything, which has lot of side effects. So don't believe this. When you have fibroids, come to homeopathy doctor immediately so that your problem will be solved. And coming to the homeopathic treatment, except in few cases, homeopathy will do wonders here. when there is torsion. What are those exceptions? When there is torsion, when the uterine fibroid rotates and there is severe bleeding or severe pain, we advise surgery. Or when it is too large where we cannot treat it with homeopathic management and you have a lot of pressure symptoms, so then also we will advise for surgery. Next one is when the tumor is increasing rapidly, it is growing too much, so then also we advise surgery because it may land into cancer. So normally rapidly growing tumor is a sign of the cancer, except these two cases. Any case, whether it is small, whether it is medium, whether it is large, homeopathy treatment is the best. Homeopathy treatment, you can dissolve these completely without any side effects, and it is also very economical compared to any other treatment. Compared to surgery, homeopathic treatment is much economical. In this case, you are not only curing the existing tumors, you can prevent more tumors coming up. Or once you get operated for a tumor, you have the tendency to get again and again, or you have the doubt that it may come again, then also it has homeopathy treatment will act as preventive. In this case, it is not only curing the fibroids, it will prevent the fibroids from coming again and again, and also it will stop the growth of fibroids, it will stop the multiplication of fibroids. If there you have only one fibroid, it will stop it there and it will not lead into multiple fibroids in your uterus. Homeopathy is both curative and also preventive in this case.